Now, CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Absolutely beautiful day today. Temperatures below normal for a change. We have been so much above normal. Nice to see readings not getting to the normal 85, everybody in the low to mid 80s. But tomorrow it's a bit warmer, upper 80s for highs and low 90s ahead of another cold front that's going to come through and knock temperatures down. And as long as we're seeing these cold fronts coming through on a regular basis about every 3 or 4 days, it's going to only keep us briefly into the 90s and knock us back down near normal. Temperatures right now are fairly warm, a little bit cooler inland, 73 in West Kendall. Other than that, some 77s across the area. There's the breeze out of the east. It's blowing pretty good tonight, and that's going to keep the temperatures a bit warmer than what we saw last night. We saw 60s over much of South Florida last night. Tonight, thanks to that east breeze, we're going to see 70s right along the beaches, 60s inland, 60s in central North Florida. Tomorrow, it's a bit warmer, temperatures in the upper 80s and low 90s farther inland away from the East Coast. And then tomorrow night, once again, a little bit warmer as well, temperatures in the low to mid 70s. And then on Thursday, we're ahead of the cold front. We warm up with that southwest wind, temperatures in the 90s, and also some spotty storms around. Until then, though, until Thursday, it stays nice and dry. The drier air in place through tomorrow. Thursday, here comes the moisture in for a chance for some showers and thunderstorms Thursday. And then pretty dry and strong cold front in terms of bringing the drier air. There's the position coming through by Friday morning. And then Saturday and Sunday looking fantastic. Dry air. Temperatures not cool, but just not in the 90s. We'll probably see mid 80s as we go into the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It has warmed up across much of the southern plains. 80s there, 90s in the southwest. The upper Midwest into the northeast still cool, though slowly warming up. Here's our forecast then for tonight. A nice night. Coolest readings inland lows mid 60s, well inland to the mid 70s along the beaches thanks to that east breeze. Tomorrow look for a good deal of sunshine and starting to warm up. You'll notice the warmer temperatures and a little bit more humidity. High temperature in the upper 80s. On the water, wind southeast at 10 to 15, seas running 2 to 4 feet, and a light chop on the bays, and taking us through the rest of the week. A pretty brief warm up. Thursday upper 80s, Thursday low 90s rather, and then that next cold front comes through. Chance for rain is Thursday, and then temperatures fall back as we head into the weekend. CBS 4 News Tonight's coming right back.